Anniston sitting at 66 with Hamilton at 64. Clouds beginning to increase to our west. Temperatures across the board the same. Cloud cover and rain is going to be the big story for tonight. Increasing rain chances as we dive deeper into the evening hours. Now, if you want to head out for dinner tonight, you're fine. No rain to contend with. If you expect to let those plans linger into the latter hours of the evening or early tomorrow morning, well, prepare for that wet weather. That rain likely to begin in northwest Alabama closer to midnight, continuing through the early morning tomorrow. Now, there will be rain before sunrise, and then we'll see clearing skies through the afternoon. Temperatures in the mid-60s, but we will see those temperatures cooling relatively quickly once the sun sets tomorrow night. All right, here's where that rain is right now. Heaviest rainfall in North Mississippi and West Tennessee. Some isolated storms back to our west, prompting some significant weather there. We have tornado watches in place for Arkansas and northern Louisiana. Notice no tornado watches in Mississippi. However, that's where we're seeing the most, I would say, colorful imagery from our radar, but it's just rain in North Mississippi right now. For Alabama, pretty clear. A few showers beginning to slide into our west, but most of the bulk of that wet weather from Oxford, Mississippi down to Greenwood, all the way up towards the Delta there. So we'll continue tracking this wet mess. It is tracking to the northeast, so it is going to take it some time to actually move into Alabama. Here's what we're looking at over the next few hours. As I mentioned, going out to dinner tonight, totally fine. Need to maybe wrap up some of those last minute shopping plans before Thanksgiving, head out to the grocery store. You're going to be completely fine. It's midnight to 2 a.m. This rain moves into West Alabama. Again, nighttime hours means that the dynamics are not quite in place for severe weather, but a rumble of thunder can't be ruled out. Gustiest winds and chance for those thunderstorms will be along that leading edge. 3 a.m. Birmingham. Now you're starting to get the rain. Tuscaloosa, Moundville, and that extends all the way up through Asheville, Gadsden into Huntsville. By 4 a.m., most of the bulk of the rain is pushed east of I-65. Some lingering showers from Clanton all the way down towards Perry County. East Alabama is going to see that bulk of that rain early tomorrow morning, and then we'll see that clearing sky as the sun rises tomorrow. Sunshine will be in full supply for your Wednesday, and then as we move into your Thanksgiving Day holiday, things will dry out. That cold front will push that rain right along overnight tonight, and then the return of sunshine, and Thursday is looking great, but then we'll be tracking another bout for some wet weather late Friday into Saturday, which could impact that Iron Bowl forecast. Well, here's a look at your Thanksgiving Day forecast. For lunch, temperatures will be in the mid-50s, lower 50s for dinner time, and then later in the evening, temperatures there in the upper 40s. We're continuing to keep an eye on how things will be faring in the plains, simply because we are looking for the chance of rain later on for that final whistle by around 6:30. The start of that game should be dry, so that's good news there. And then rain clears out Sunday, and then much cooler as we enter into next week. And that's a look at your Storm Team 7-day forecast. Sherry?